If you can't trust your unconscious mind, whose unconscious mind can you trust?
Great.
We're going to talk about self-hypnosis in this video because we had a student who asked, when doing self-hypnosis, do I need to trust my unconscious? I'm new to this. I'm not sure if I can trust myself to run the process effectively. So we have a line, obviously, in the hypnosis field that is, if you can't trust your unconscious mind, whose unconscious mind can you trust? And it gets a great laugh. Tad James, brilliant. So what does this mean, though, when it comes to self-hypnosis and trusting your unconscious?
Well, it's a great question, but it's also an obvious answer, because if you're doing self-hypnosis at all, it's because you're presuming your unconscious has the resources to either fix a problem or generate something new for you. It's implicit in the very fact that you're doing it that you believe it will work.
And what if you're not doing self-hypnosis? Are you trusting your unconscious mind?
You are. I mean, think about it. Every time you go to bed at night, you're trusting your unconscious to keep your heart beating and you breathing while you're sleeping instead of just randomly deciding to shut everything off. If you're in your car driving in traffic and carrying on a conversation with a friend who's sitting next to you and drinking a coffee, you're managing a lot of stuff. You're not focusing on the driving so much, but you're trusting your unconscious to change lanes, watch out for obstacles, and so on.
And you're performing a lot of things unconsciously. If you walk over to your coffee maker in the morning and you grab that coffee carafe and you start pouring yourself a cup of coffee, you're not consciously evaluating every single muscle movement that you're making to control every single little micro movement. You're doing it unconsciously.
Oh, sure. Even something like taking your coat off and hanging it on a hook. That's an entirely unconscious motion. You don't typically throw it across the room and go, boy, I got to work on this.
So doesn't this mean that in every area of life, you're already trusting your unconscious mind? So the good news is you're already doing it. So if you decide to start using self-hypnosis to make your life better, you're already perfectly capable of trusting your unconscious because he or she is there to protect you and give you a better life.
Exactly.
All right.
So lean on your unconscious, do the self-hypnosis, and notice how much better your life gets.
Now, speaking of doing self-hypnosis, we'll make sure we put some links under the video and in the description under this video so you can get some more resources from us. And if you're interested, our full easy self-hypnosis course is included in our Brain Software Syndicate community. There's lots of awesome stuff. So check out the link under the video. You'll see that in the description. We'll give you some other videos that you can watch about doing self-hypnosis, including some really easy inductions like breathing with the eyes that we've already published on YouTube. So you can check those out. Make your life better. Start to improve every aspect of your life and start to incorporate self-hypnosis in what you do. All right. Thanks once again, and good night.